Hello, my name is Grothmann. I'm with Siemens Digital Industries in Germany. Here I'm responsible for a data lab, and we apply artificial intelligence to various industrial applications. Among those is the food and beverage sector, where you can find several application fields. Artificial intelligence is a cross-sectional technology which allows you to analyze data and to identify patterns in data. You build models from data and you execute those models in order to deliver decision support or to find optimal control. The different application fields of artificial intelligence start with the analysis of plant data. Here typically you try to identify failures in order to analyze the health of the machine. This is a typical preventive maintenance application. You can also analyze production process data. Here you seek for predicting product quality and delivering decision support to lower scrap and to be more efficient in the production process. It's also about automation. You can apply artificial intelligence to automate different process steps. Especially visual quality control is a topic where customer staff stand near a conveyor, for instance, and try to identify objects on the conveyor that are not wanted. In addition, you also have application fields of artificial intelligence for business data, like analyzing customer demand, predicting customer demand, analyzing customers, especially in customer relationship management, for instance. I'd like to show you now two applications of artificial intelligence in the food and beverage industry, starting with visual quality control and then pointing towards the analysis of production process data in order to predict product quality. One application that we implemented addresses the visual quality control of bread rolls. Here you find the two tasks of artificial intelligence in image processing. The first task is detecting objects, and the second task is judging the quality and the characteristics of an object. An object here is a bread roll, and what you see is in the middle you see the conveyor where the different bread rolls are lying. You detect the objects on the conveyor belt, and every bread roll is then analyzed with a second artificial intelligence model in order to judge its quality. What you can see in the middle, in the figure in the middle, is the detection of the different objects and the bounding boxes which you put on the different bread rolls in order to cut them out of the complete picture. And the third picture on the left is the quality control of the bread rolls. And what you see, the green objects are bread rolls of optimal quality, and one bread roll is detected which has a not wanted quality. The benefits of this solution are obvious. You can speed up the process because we can analyze in a bread roll in fractions of a second. You have a stable and objective product quality, and you lower the costs of the complete process because no additional staff is needed to control the quality of the bread rolls. The second use case is analyzing production process data. Here you collect all the data that you have from the production process, starting with information from the enterprise control system, from the PLM system, from the MES system, manufacturing execution system, and other characteristics, control parameters of the production process, sensor data. And what you like to do is you want to correlate this data to KPIs of the product. For instance, the product quality. Obviously, you have a broad application field, especially in food and beverage, because typically the raw ingredients, they naturally vary over time. You have a sunny year or a rainy year, which directly influences the resources on which you produce your product, and what you want is you want a stable product quality that your customers expect and remember. And now the idea is to learn and to correlate all the data from the production process to the product quality. With that, you can speed up also the process. You give decision support for the staff involved. And what you can also do is you can do some kind of virtual testing, because you do not have to take out products from the production process and analyze them offline in a labor environment, but you can directly in real time see how your product quality develops. One application example is from the beer brewing process. Here you have natural ingredients that vary over time, and you have several control parameters of the production process that are typically set by human experts, and those define the quality of the beer. What we have done is we built an artificial neural network model in form of a regression neural network. So it's a nonlinear regression model that takes all the parameters of the production process along with the raw material and predicts the beer quality. And it gives decision support for the staff involved, and is also able to, in an automated manner, control the process itself. Again, the benefits are obvious, because you conserve the knowledge of the people, you make the process more stable, and you ensure a stable also product quality. When it comes to the implementation of an artificial intelligence model, it's not only the modeling of data. We start off typically with the identification of the use case. We calculate a business case out of that. So where are the merits or the potential merits of applying an artificial intelligence model? And then in an agile manner, in a Scrum process, we build the artificial intelligence model in different sprints. Together with the customer, also live testing the model, and when we see that there is a benefit from the model in an offline application, we go into an online testing phase, and we also define the operational concept of the model. So how can the model access the data in real time from the production process, and how should the model be implemented in this process, and how does the process change, and which roles are affected with the model, which interact with the model or which learn from the model. We also offer services because you have to adapt the model from time to time. A process, also a production process, is never that stable. There are also some environmental conditions that you might not have covered, and so it is also necessary to do maintenance for the model. I hope you enjoyed my presentation of the different application fields of artificial intelligence and this focus of the two use cases in the food and beverage industry. Thank you.